Today, Chris will finish building the deck. All that remains are the steps. This is the step at the far end of the deck. This will be the wraparound step. We can access the garden and the front yard, and of course, the main walkway.
We're going to wrap up the steps, the secondary step that wraps around these two edges here, and once we get that all done, we should be finished. It should be ready to fully enjoy for summer. That's to my long point.
This wraparound step is really cool. It kind of adds dimension to the deck and allowing access on and off to the garden, to the walkway, to the front yard.
I'm looking for there.
We have the Spiced Rum darker Trex board as the border, the outside of the step, and the inside is the Golden Harvest.
Shim left just in case. They don't rot with weather. They'll last as long as the Trex itself does.
So do you dread it when someone asks you to build a wood deck?
Yeah, I tried to dissuade them. A friend of mine just asked me about that, about redecking, resurfacing their deck, and they asked her, said, "Well, are you thinking about going with a composite?" She said, "Oh gosh, I don't know." And I said, "Well, what's the problem with your current deck?" She says, "It's rotting all over the place." So that's why I like to go with composite decking as opposed to wood decking, because then I don't have to worry about you calling me back in 5 years saying, "Why is my deck rotting?" Well, because you used wood. Yep, those are in place.
We got the picture frame around the landing. This is a larger size step that exits the rear of the deck. So this is the stuff I was talking about.
Pretty good color match too.
Yeah, it is. You think it'd hurt just to take a metal file and just break the edge here just a little bit?
Nah, it wouldn't hurt it. You can easily roll that over without a problem.
Yeah, just a little bit so it's not quite the sharpness.
Yep.
Okay.
I don't listen to these pictures.
It looks good, nice and straight. But the rats can still get in.
Possum's out.
Well, yeah, the rats could, but at least our cat can't get in there.
Right.
Although she is quite unhappy about that fact now.
Is this the last one?
This is it. This is the grand finale.
Final inspection of the deck that Chris Blue constructed for us. It is awesome. Now the combination of those two colors really seem to, it's inviting.
It is.
Oh, nice. This landing worked out great on the porch with the tile. Yeah.
That should do nicely, huh? It's a real good size too. You can be comfortable with guests, with company. You have plenty of room.
I need to write you a check.
Yeah, I've got the balance here, minus the deposit, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
Total due $7,584.
758487.